How to replace a tufting gun needle. Remove the 4 front screws and take off the front block. Keep the screws in a safe place so nothing gets lost. Carefully slide out the handle section. Underneath, you'll find an 8mm nut on the rod. Loosen it slowly to release the block and make space to work. Now you can access the needle holder. Use an Allen key to loosen the set screw. Gently pull out the broken needle and replace it with the new one. Straight and all the way in. Take a moment to check that it is properly aligned before tightening again. Tighten carefully, just enough to hold it in place. With a small screwdriver, remove the additional screws that secure the needle. Swap the broken part with the new one and reassemble everything exactly as it was before. Pay special attention to the needle hole regulator. It is part of the needle and must be placed correctly to keep the machine working smoothly. Once the new needle is in, put the block back, reconnect the rod, and tighten all screws evenly and gradually. If you feel any friction or resistance, stop immediately and adjust before continuing. Finally, switch the gun back on and test it on scrap fabric. The yarn should move smoothly and consistently. Remember, if the issue doesn't go away or you don't feel confident, it's always better to stop and ask for support. For more tips, tutorials, and tufting accessories, make sure to check out Kreoho.